Hi all, back again with another cleaning kit. This one is for a rifle. This time it does have one less section than the previous one I showed you. Again, it does have markings to the back. And I can't see no date anywhere on this one. Inside it does have the sections again. This one has a aluminium handle with the markings, manufacturer's markings, and then on the other side it does have, I'm guessing, a serial number on the other side. Again, it does swivel, but it doesn't come off like the previous one I showed you. And then 3 sections, and one does have a slit for the cleaning patches, same again like the previous one. Thanks for watching.